Hello friends, running kimono. So we're at the Dollar General today and we're going to talk about the best paper deals at the Dollar General. And OMG, this is 100% digital and 100% awesome. Very easy deals to do. We're going to look at it two different ways, doing it any day of the week and then doing it on a Saturday with a 5 off of 25. So this is what we're grabbing for our first basket. 2 of the Scots, 1 Cottonelle, and 1 Scott paper towel. As you could see in this store, this little tag is fixed next to some of these paper products, which is save $4 instantly when you spend $20. And the products that we're grabbing, if you scan them in the Dollar General app, it pops up digitally as well. It's below the coupon. This is automatic savings that happen at the till, so you don't need to load a digital coupon or anything like that. And we are also going to factor this into the math for the 5 off of 25. It's already been factored in. Okay, so the first item that we're going to grab is 2 of these Scott's toilet papers. They are $4.75, which is kind of a weird price. We have that dollar digital, and see that little note? Save $4 when you spend $20. Thus, we know we're grabbing the right product. Now, if you go over to the coupons.com app, there's also a dollar back. So how nice is that? So after you make this purchase, we're going to make a $1 submission to coupons.com to get our dollar back when we buy the Scott's toilet paper, because we're not using a digital for that one. We're also going to grab one of these big mamas for $5.95, and then we have a dollar digital coupon for this one. And the final item that we're going to grab is the Cottonelle for $5 on the nose, and we have this dollar digital coupon. So grabbing those 4 products, that is going to get us to $20. And this again is an any day deal. So if your store gets really cleared quickly, perhaps this might be a good idea to do it earlier in the week, or say you're busy on Saturday doing something, and you want to get some cheap paper products, this might be for you. So grabbing 2 of the Scott's toilet papers, that is $9.50. Remember, they're $4.75 a pop. That's how I'm getting the math. 1 Cottonelle for $5, and then 1 Scott's paper towel for $5.95. So the total there is $20.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your products, that's when you punch in your phone number. When the cashier hits the final pay button, the 4 off 20 automatic savings is coming off, along with the $3 of digital coupons that I showed you in the slides previous. The dollar for the Scott toilet paper, the dollar for the paper towel, and the dollar for the Cottonelle. So you are left with paying $13.45 plus your tax. Let's not forget the tax. And then with that receipt, you're just going to photograph it to the coupons.com app and get $1 back for the one purchase of your Scott's toilet paper. So it makes it $12.45 for the 4 products, or $3.11 each. Now let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Scott and Cottonelle is part of their catalog. Thus, you'll get extra special bonus points back from this app for this purchase of that specific brand of toilet paper. If you've been kind of on the fence about signing up for the Fetch Rewards app, today is the day, guys. Opportunity knocking. Check the link in the notes, and when you use my referral code, I'll also leave it there. If you photograph any receipt, an Egg McMuffin or a pack of gum that you bought last week or yesterday, you're given $2, which is 2,000 points in the Fetch world, and you can start getting gift cards around that $5 mark. So gift cards to Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, or Walmart, whatever you want. It's a really terrific app and very easy to use. And it's kind of cool when products like, Scott, Cottonelle are part of it. Okay, so just to answer something quickly, people are going to say, why aren't you putting the little toothpaste that are giving like a quarter of overage in the deals? Why? They might pull it in the middle of the week, or your store might be cleared of it. But just to let you know about this little dealio, 3 of these toothpastes at $1.75, it's $4.75. And then we have a 5 off of 3, so it's giving you a quarter of overage. But I don't know if your store is anything like mine. It might be cleared, or possibly they might just pull this all together. Sometimes they do that, and it's only a quarter. So if you can find it and it scans with the app, by all means. But I think for the most part, it might be really a tall order to find this. Okay, so now we're jumping to Saturday the 19th. We're grabbing all of those paper products as explained. We're going to load this 5 off of 25. Plus to our order, we're adding in a bag of those Purex pods. And then 2 boxes of the U by Kotex, those little liners. As you can see, we have a generous 4 off of 2 digital. We're going to have to load that one like right away. Look for this in the regular feminine care or clearance section. Then we're grabbing one of these Purex 15 counters for $3, and we have a $2 digital coupon. How nice is that? Okay, so now let's look at this matchup. 2 Scott toilet papers is $9.50, 1 Cottonelle is $5, and then 1 Scott paper towel is $5.95. So the total there is $20.45, but let's factor in the automatic savings, which is $16.45. Now we're very short from getting to that $25 mark, so let's add some more merchandise. We have our Purex pods for $3 and the 2 Kotex liners for $6.50. The new total is $25.95. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier will hit the final pay button. 5 off of 25 is coming off, which is your Saturday coupon, along with $9 of digitals. You're paying $11.95 out of pocket. Then you're going to make that $1 application to coupons.com for your Scott's toilet paper. So it makes it $10.95 for the 7 products, or $1.56 per product. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Extra points for all that paper. This is kind of an awesome deal. Okay, now if you do not want the feminine care and the Purex, let's look at this deal in a different way. Again, we're grabbing all of these paper products again. So the 2 Scott, the 1 Cottonelle, and the 1 Scott paper towel. So these 4, hopefully you can find them. Look for them in the regular paper aisle, and end caps as well, or possibly at the front of the store. They have it all over the place, or even really high. And then we're grabbing 2 of these guys for $5.50, so that is 11. And we have a very generous buy one, get one free coupon. Now, one thing I will let you guys know, if you have a $1.50 digital loaded as well, perhaps that smaller one will come off first. So please make sure you only load this one to the app. There is no way to take it off the app, which is really not so great. But still, if you can just load this one, you are in business to do this deal in a different way. So just looking at the math again, we're grabbing 2 of the toilet papers for $9.50, 1 Cottonelle for $5, 1 Scott paper towel for $5.95, for a total of $20.45. Remember, we have that automatic savings, so the new total is actually $16.45. 2 of the Airwick double packs, that's $11. So the new total now is $27.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier will hit the final pay button. The 5 off of 25 will come off, along with $8.50 of digital manufacturers. $3 for the paper and $5.50 for the Airwick. You're paying $13.95 out of pocket plus your tax, making that dollar submission to coupons.com for the Scott's toilet paper. $12.95 for the 6 products, or $2.15 per product. And do not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for extra points. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.